Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 38 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. Question paper code is 30/2/3. The question goes like this. Tejas is standing at the top of a building and observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree as it approaches the base of the building at a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression increases to 60 degree and at that moment the car is 25 meter away from the building. Let's observe the diagram given. This is the building and this is a car that is approaching the building. Tejas is standing at the top. So let's observe the second diagram now. So A is marked as the position of Tejas and DB is the ground. D is the position of the car and this car is approaching the building. As it approaches, when it reaches a point C, the distance between C and the base of the building is 25 meters. Initially, the angle of depression is 30 degree. Since this eye level at A and this line DB is parallel to each other, the angle at ADB is also 30 degrees. When the car is at position C, the angle of depression is 60 degree. Again, the eye level at A and the line DB both are parallel to each other. Therefore, the angle ACB is also 60 degree. Based on the information given above, answer the following questions. First question, what is the height of the building? AB is the height of the building. Let's consider the triangle ABC. Since we know one angle and we know an adjacent side, we'll find the tan ratio of this angle. Tan 60 is equal to AB upon BC. Tan 60 is root 3. AB is what we have to find out and BC is 25. Therefore, AB is equal to 25 root 3 meters. That is, the height of the building is 25 root 3 meters. Question 2. What is the distance between the two positions of the car? D is one position and C is another position. We have to get this distance CD. For that, let's consider the triangle ADB. Tan 30 is equal to AB upon DB. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. AB is 25 root 3 that we have got from the first subdivision. And DB can be written as DC plus CB. That is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 25 root 3 upon DC is what we have to figure out plus CB is 25. DC plus 25 is 25 root 3 into root 3 gives 75. DC is 50 meters. Question 3, part A. What would be the total time taken by the car to reach the foot of the building from the starting point? That is, we have to calculate the time from D to B. For a distance of 50 meters, time taken is 6 seconds. Therefore, for a distance of the total distance is 75 meters, time taken is 75 times 6 upon 50, which gives us 9 seconds. B part of the third question. What is the distance of the observer from the car when it makes an angle of 60 degree? That is, we have to get this distance AC. Let's consider the triangle ABC. AC is hypotenuse. Now that we know the perpendicular and the base, we can choose either sine or cos to solve this problem. Taking sine ratio, sine 60 is equal to AB upon AC. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 and AB is 25 root 3 upon AC. So AC is 25 root 3 into 2 upon root 3. So AC is 50 meters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.